Montego Baby here again, back at you with another episode. I know I took some time off and there's a good reason for it. My mom recently passed away, so you know that really kind of hit me hard, hit the family hard. We had to take some time off to kind of, you know, get your mind back together, obviously put her to rest and so forth. So I just want to give a shout out to all the family members that was able to attend. The family members that weren't able to attend, thank you for your good wishes, you know what I mean? In honor of my mom today, I make a version of our stew beef with a little spin, you know what I mean? So you're really gonna enjoy this episode. You know, we're trying to kick it off again with a bang, you know what I mean? So we'll deal with it proper, and I hope you stay tuned for you enjoy this one. Check. Alright family, so the stage is set right here. What we have as the meat kind, we have some short ribs. Now a lot of people tend to stay away from the short ribs because they must say, oh, you know what I mean, it's a specific, special type of meat. You don't really know what to do with it, but you know, just relax. You don't have to really get timid or panic or anything like that. Just like any other beef, you can really prep it up and put it in a way you want it for, you know what I mean? So we'll stew it today. I'm gonna show you how simple it can be if you really bring it down to par and make it taste wonderful same way. You know what I mean? You look up short ribs online. You know, you have the big guys them where want to use wine and all these things. But you know, a yard man thing we are dealing with, so we are bring it down to the level of yard man. You know what I mean? And show you so them things can be simple and easy same way. So we have a short ribs right here. What we do, we season this already. This actually in the fridge. I soak in some seasoning for about a day and a half to 2 days. So what we do, we put about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce on this. We put about 1 teaspoon of salt. We have a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of black pepper. And make that go and sit down and soak, you know what I mean? You don't really have to make it soak for a day or so forth. You can make it soak at least for about an hour, you know, if you don't really have the time. But you may have the time, you know, me just make it sit down in them seasoning and go and get happy, right? We have the veg kind over here, you know, we already have Irish potato. We have some chocho, also known as chayote. We have a green bell pepper here, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, carrot, ginger. And you know, so we'll drop some allspice in it same way. If you have the allspice seeds, then it can work same way, but you know, me as a man, I don't like the whole seed business when I eat my food, you know what I mean? So that's why we get the powder version. And then of course we have some cabbage. We'll make a little salad, you know, not really salad, but some steamed veg on the side, just to kind of mellow out everything. And we'll just complement that with some white rice. You can do some rice and peas still, but right now we are dealing with the fasting in the evening and we can't bother the rice and peas business, so go so bam and do some white rice. You hear that? So, stage is set, everything well ready to go. Now we'll clean up them thing here, and then we'll get everything and throw it in the pressure cooker and get things rolling, alright? So check back with me in a few minutes. Bless. Alright, so we spice up some of the things them right now. Some of them will kind of wait until the pressure inside of things finish. I cut up about 1.5 potato here. Cut them up small because we want that kind of mash out when the pressure the meat. That way it can build the body, you know what I mean? We have some carrot here. I'll put about half. We have 2 carrots, so I'll put about half in the pressure cooker when I put in the meat. That way that that, you know, that color and everything else, that sweetness will kind of pressure off in the gravy. And then we'll put the other half when we'll finish up the prep at the end. We'll put in with scallion now with time. I'll put in about half of the onion. Onion, I don't really start cut that yet, cause you know, when you cut onion kind of let off him angry. I want burn people, yeah, you know what I mean? So what more do when me actually get things going, I'm ready to put before me put on the pressure cooker top. I'll just go so and put half it in the pressure cooker at that time and cut it off, you know what I mean? That way I not have it all in the area burn out my eye. So right now that we have ready to go. So we'll transition over to the stove and get this thing rolling. Forward. Alright, so we have a stove set to medium high heat. We have a pressure cooker here. We'll put in some olive oil. Just put in a little bit of olive oil here. Probably about we'll call it say about probably say about 4 tablespoons. Alright? We'll make that heat up a little bit. Because we'll kind of brown the meat a little bit before we put the water and the veg and all them thing there. Okay? So we're gonna make that heat up and then we'll kind of brown off the meat. So get your oil a little bit hot. Then we'll kind of brown each side of the meat and then we can get the water in. Alright, so I'm a sing already, so let's start. I tell you, I have a thing in the freezer for about a month and change, brother. I tell you, say, with this virus business that we are going, you have to utilize everything you have, you know what I mean? Nothing can go to waste. So, let's decide to pull him out and just try it out, you know. I never really did this before with the short ribs, but you know, so we never fear. Food are food, we can conquer anything. So we'll deal with it. So you're getting a special edition here today. The first time I'm actually going to be doing this. Nothing is rehearsed. Everything is live and direct, you know what I mean? On the spot. But you will know flavor, never fear. Alright, so what you do, you get it a little bit brown on each side. And then we can kind of get the other things in and lock him off. So, probably see about, give him about 3-4 minutes for each side. And then we'll start adding the other things in. So check back with me in a minute. Alright, so I'm going to make it about 3 minutes each side. And as you can see, we have a beautiful sear. Woo! We have a beautiful brown sear on it right now. The reason why we do it in the sear in the pressure cooker, we actually pressure it because you don't want none of that flavor. You don't want to lose none of that goodness, you know what I mean? You want everything. And so you didn't really like waste. So we're going and show you the rest of the stuff then so we can lock this off. So we have about 2 scallion here. I'll show that in. You have 2 peg of garlic, kind of press it out, show that in. Thyme, show that in. You have your potato. So 1.5 of that, I'll show all of that in there. And if you can smell this stuff, woo! Oh, that beautiful flavor, man. That's gonna be bomb. Alright. And then we'll do probably about do one of the carrots. Show that in. So want that pressure inside that thing, you know? I mean, you don't have to do it to them flat way if you don't want to, but me personally, that's the way them want it, you know? And then finally, as far as the veg is concerned, I put about half of the onion in there, you know? Kids don't try this at home. No yard man when they have to cut it right in the man, you know what I mean? But I may have a chef knife the other day and the chef knife broke for me. And actually, when I'm looking at the sink, I see it broke. So I know somebody in the house broke it and no one tell me. But if them knife they easy for broke, so boy, it's not really for me, you know what I mean? Camera person, you better figure out how broke my knife, you hear that? Alright. So, we got that there. What we are going to do now, we're going to put in, this is about 4 cups of water right here. I'll throw that in. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. And I forgot to tell you guys, as far as the meat was concerned, that was about 2 pounds of short ribs, okay? The pan that it was in, all that goodness that was in at the bottom, you don't want to waste none of that. So we put the water up on top of that and pour out everything so you get all the seasoning end up on it, you know what I mean? Right in. Alright. So right now kind of covered, but when I do, I'll probably add about 1 more cup of water to this. So call this a total of 5 cups of water will be in for pressure. And we have pressure this for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Probably closer to 1 hour, you know what I mean? So what I do now, I add about a teaspoon of the allspice and then I'll chew about 1 more cup of water to make it 5. Alright, so let me get the water, you know. Well, make sure say enough water in this thing, you know what I mean? Great. Alright, so we have 5 cups of water here. And then like I say, we want to add a teaspoon of the allspice. So I'm going to get a small spoon and deal with that. Alright, so you have your allspice. Then we have to put it in now. I don't want too much, I just get a tea. Probably you probably want a whole, probably do a half a tea. A whole tea kind of look too much for me right about now. So I have about a half a tea right here. Throw that tea. Yeah? That's good. A whole tea too much. I throw a powder for you know, I put too much allspice in that. So half a tea is good. Right? So like I say, everything up on medium high. We're gonna do right now. And I'll go ahead and cover this over. Put on the pressure cooker top. Make sure so that seal off. Get the top for that. Bam. Set it and forget it for an hour. And then once that bubble for an hour, we'll pull it and check it and see what I want and finish it up. So check back with me in a little bit. Alright, so we have a meat here, a pressure for about 45 minutes here. Like I said, medium high heat. What we are going to do while that I run, we are going to make the veg. Alright? So I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil. About 1 tablespoon of olive oil here. Kind of coat the pan with that. Get this hot from medium high. And then we have to add in some little necessities here, okay? So we have here, we have a little piece of onion, a white onion. We have 1 scallion, and then we have a little piece of red onion as well. Or 2 all that is. Kind of cut them how you would like, and you kind of cut it in half, you know? We normally want to get the onion in them first so them can kind of get caramelized and go on with them. Alright. Make sure so we get everything, you know what I mean? Go and mix that around a little bit. Then we use about a half of the chocho. Put up about a half of the chocho we're going to put in this thing here. And we'll use about a half of the cabbage. We'll use a half of the cabbage. Make sure you wash all them things, you know what I mean? Normally I like wash my thing with vinegar water. Best thing to do to get off any type of impurity on the outside, you know? But make sure you wash all the veg and everything. And when I really want this run too long, probably run it for about a minute or 2. Just to kind of get him ready. Alright? Just like that. Like I say, I don't want to run it too long, I just want it to get kind of happy. And then we have to add in your chocho. Chocho have water in it, so. One thing with chocho, it absorbs flavor. Anything you put it in, it kind of absorbs the flavor. So, chocho very versatile. Normally use it in a curry, stew, anything really. We want kind of add a little extra component. And a chocho is very versatile for that, you know what I mean? So we cut up the cabbage how we like it. Go ahead and add that in, you know. Right from the top layer. Just like that. And we still let it kind of come up high. Once it starts, cook it out shrink. But it's for right now, what you want to make him feel bossy and puff up in chest, you know? And soon come right down the side. Alright. Just like that. Alright, so what we are going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and add in the water. I have about 2 cups of water here. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. Yes. 2 cups of water, which is good. And we're going to add in a little bit of thyme. We don't need a whole lot. That's a nice enough little piece. This amount of thyme, you know. Go ahead and wash that up, and then we are going to drop it in. Alright, and I put that there. We are going to do now also. We are going to add about a teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of sea salt. And I spread it around. Yeah. And then we are going to add maybe about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just like that. Spread that around. Yeah. And then, if you have butter, it will work better. But right now, our spread we are work with. So, now go ahead and add 1 nice tablespoon of spread on top of this. Substitute for butter, you know what I'm saying? And drop that right on the top. Alright. So whatever do you know, I'm gonna go ahead and cover this over. Just like that. And you're gonna make this steam for probably about say 20 to 25 minutes. We're going to take a look at it within about 25 minutes and then see what we look like, you know what I mean? At that point you can also taste, make sure you see your flavor right. Just go and make that sit down and steam, yeah? Some people might say stove turn up too high for your steam, so you know that's fine. If you want to pump it down a little bit more, that's fine. We can drop it down probably about a couple notches. I don't know how your stove is, but we put it one level above medium. Okay? I don't know if you can see this, I don't know how well it's picking up. But you have medium, we go 1 level above medium. Okay? So we're gonna go ahead and cover that down. And then for those technical guys out there, make it steam for 25 minutes. Technically, you know? Alright, so check back with me. Alright family, so we transition the meat in a smaller pot that we only can see what go on. The thing was pressuring for an hour, and so we have it right about now. The veg, I actually run the veg for about 20 minutes. If you guys want the veg a little bit more crunchy, you can actually run it for about probably about 12 minutes, and you will get it a little bit more. The reason why I run it a little bit longer is because I had the chocha in it. So that will cook 20 minutes lock off. So we all do now add in the other vegetable. So first things first, we already taste the sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and add in 1.5 cup more water. Right? You're going to go ahead and add in your veg. So we have about a half green bell peppers here. I'm going to add that in. We have about the other half of the chocha. We're adding that in here. Everything cut it up how you would like. Let me say that, you know, whatever style you like, I use that. And then we have the whole potato, like me say. We cut it up a little bit bigger. Because I want to have something to chew upon, you know what I mean? The other one, them we want kind of make the body. So we know so that you want that to cook out, you know what I mean? Go ahead and add in them thing. Go ahead and add in the other half a carrot. And then go ahead and add in a quarter piece more onion. Just to make sure, you know, so you add in the water, you want to make sure so that water flavored when you cook down the rest of this. See me? So You want to move everything down in the water, especially the potato. Because the potato are the main thing you want to cook, and the carrot. Them things they take a longer time to cook. You want to make sure so that submerge completely down in your gravy, you know what I mean? You don't really need to add no more time on them things. You're good to go with that. Alright? Alright, so everything kind of down in the water, you know. What we are going to do? We are going to make this bubble, we are going to make this start to boil, get to a boil here. So give it about 5 minutes covered. Let it get to a decent boil. And then we'll kind of finish up with the spices, okay? So give me a few minutes. Alright, so 5 minutes run off, you know, so we'll check and see what I go on. Everything will boil up nice. Looking good. I'll make sure so you thing them down in the gravy there. Alright. So what we are going to do, instead of just, you know, I'll go straight away and add salt and them thing there, you're going to go ahead and taste. Taste, and then you can analyze where you're depending on flavor. So I deal with, you know, where exactly you need to add. So I'm going to go ahead and get a spoon here. And I'll taste and see where the flavor is. Alright. So you know for sure we are going to need some salt. So I'll add a teaspoon of salt. Alright, so 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Alright. You're gonna add a teaspoon of black pepper. Probably a half a teaspoon. I mean, always I go so heavy. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'll get a piece of ginger here. I'll probably go add about, probably say a teaspoon of ginger. I'll grate that in. Fresh ginger, washed and ready to go. I'll add 1 teaspoon of that. It's just to add another element. To enhance your flavor, you know? Just like that. Alright. You just want just enough. You don't want it too pronounced, but just enough. And now we're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Gonna sprinkle it around. 1. 2. Alright. So go ahead and make sure see all them things they submerged. Everything kind of getting in your sauce. Just like that. And then you have to cover this over for another 5 minutes. You make all that seasoning where you just add in fully incorporate itself in the gravy before you taste it. And make sure so you get a proper taste how we just add in, you know what I mean? So make this go on bubble for another 5 minutes covered. And then we can check the flavor and see what go on. Alright? Check back with it. Alright family, so we'll pop it up and see what go on, yeah? Alright, so we'll go ahead and taste and then we'll see what's going on. You may need to pepper it up a little bit more, but then I'll jump to conclusion. Let me taste and see what go on, yeah? Alright, so This for me, what I see right now, we need another teaspoon of salt, need another half a teaspoon of ginger, and we need about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay? So we'll go ahead and get that. Alright, so another teaspoon of salt here. Add it in. Make sure say all that get off. Two more tablespoons of the sugar here. Looking for a mild sweetness, alright? Just enough so it's pronounced. 1. 2. Alright. So we got 2 tablespoons of the sugar there. Beautiful. And then, like me say, for me personally, I want another half teaspoon of this ginger. Alright. Boom bang. Alright. Mix that in here. All we have to right now, I just finished cooking the potato. So once you feel that your potato and your carrot is cooked, and you're pretty much good to go. Alright? Make sure you taste your thing again, make sure so your flavor right, up to your standard, you know, regarding spice. You know what I mean? Me personally think I eat that still. I'll give it one more taste, just to make sure. Alright. Alright, here we go. Quick turn around, turn around, turn around. Alright. Move it around a little bit. Alright, let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah. Okay. I hear you. Alright, I hear you. Alright. So flavor is good for me. But we are going to do now, since we don't really want too much water in this, we are going to leave it uncovered here. What me are going to do, I can probably run it uncovered for about another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes. And we'll turn it down a little bit. We don't really want to leave it too much on the medium oil. Come on, a good amount of gravy, you see? And gravy so succulent, you don't want to lose it. So we'll bump it down. Also bump it one level above medium. Or one notch above medium, really. And we'll make this bubble for another 10 minutes. And then we'll plate. And I'll show you what I go on. Alright? Bless up. Yes, sir. You know, I bought duck now, brother. I'm telling you, I'm tired. Well, everything's finished. Everything's ready to go. Really enjoyed the food. It's tasting awesome. It was an experiment, but it was a successful experiment. You know what I mean? Like I said, don't be afraid when you see things like these. Talk about shark ribs and everything there. Easy thing to deal with. Easy thing for master. You know? Like I said, from your heart is there, the food will follow and present itself in a wonderful way. So, you know, from my home to yours, you know, one love, more love, righteousness, Montego baby, signing out. Yes. Like a long time I eat cabbage swirl. Oh man, is called the Lose My Mind bite, baby.